Welcome back guys to the most comprehensive CSS tutorial series. In this video, I just want to introduce this new tutorial series. So if we wind back to our previous tutorial series, HTML and CSS course for beginners, I went through HTML and I also taught some CSS. By now, I expect you should have a fine understanding of HTML from that previous tutorial course, since HTML is all about understanding the different HTML elements. In that tutorial series, I also taught some CSS as well, but I did not go into details. I left out some concepts intentionally because I intended on creating this simplified CSS tutorial course. Now that you have a good understanding of HTML, we can go back to dissect CSS, so that by the end of this tutorial series, you become a CSS master. So a quick peek into the contents I'm going to be releasing in this tutorial series. We are going to be looking at concepts like the box model. We are going to look at colors in CSS, CSS units of measurement, CSS positioning, CSS animation and transitions, media queries, web fonts, and we are finally going to look at a project which is going to put together all the CSS concepts taught in this series to make a responsive modern website. So you guys can notice that there are some spaces in this content, and these spaces are spaces for recommendations that may come up during the tutorial series, so I can create new tutorials you guys are going to recommend and add them to this tutorial series as well. So guys, that was just an introduction to this tutorial series. So if you are ready to embark on this journey, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.